Hi and welcome back. After so many months, I think it's almost 7 months now since I've been away from YouTube. But hi and welcome back to my channel. Anyways, I'm going to talk to you guys about why I left, why I took a break, and my plans for YouTube now. This top is actually not squeezed. I think that's just how the top is, to be honest. It's been so long I wore it. I was cleaning my wardrobe the other day and I found it down like inside, and I've been looking for it for so long. And at the time when I left, I'm going to make this as short as possible. So at the time I left, I was still using my small, I was still using this, my SE. Is it focused? Yeah, I was using my SE to film, to do whatever I wanted to do, but after a while it crashed. My new phone took so long, almost 4 months. The shipping company we were using, they had issues, so it didn't come on time. But after then I decided to stop it because anytime I tried to film, the phone would go off for me, and it became so stressful. That's just my phone being an issue. Second one was me. I wasn't satisfied with the kind of videos I was making. It became a chore, like filming content, uploading on YouTube became a chore, and it's not supposed to be a chore. It's not supposed to be something I have to force myself to do, something I have to struggle to do. It's supposed to be something fun, something interesting, because I love filming. And I felt like I was too much in my head. I think way too much about things, way too much. That by the time I'm done thinking, I would have cancelled the whole plan in my head. But yeah, I really fell out of love with filming. I fell out of love with YouTube. I think last month was March, yeah, my birthday, my phone came back, and I decided that, you know what, I think I will start preparing to go back. But yeah, we are back on YouTube. New video, don't expect too much, because I don't know, I'll try my best, but don't expect too much. Expect a lot of cooking videos, daily vlogs. This is less than 10 minutes. Okay, bye. I've not written in like a week now because I've been working on a new publication on my newsletter. It's just going to still be on my newsletter, but it's going to be called Senior and Head, and I kind of want to
is a place where I'll talk about, give my reviews, recommendation, talk about what's going on in pop culture now, because I'm a big fan of pop culture. So I'm putting it out. I've been working on this thing for like a month now, which is crazy because I just needed a week to decide, but I kept pushing it. So yeah, I'm finalizing everything, rewriting and editing to see if it's okay if I publish it. I don't know when I'll drop the first volume, because it's going to be in volume 1, 2, 3, but I think I'll do that. Today is Wednesday, maybe on Friday. Yeah, Friday works. Okay.